Karina finds. Today I want to review a large handmade cotton rope basket. I got it for my throws blankets. It can be used for the pillows, it can be used for the kids' toys, laundry, towels in the bathroom, so many other ideas. Two handles, it's a large size, it comes with many different colors. Here's some instructions. You can hand wash it, you can wash it in the washer machine, air dry it. Great quality, easy to fold, doesn't take much space. If you need to store it, does take a couple days to open up, not to be so wrinkly. I'll show you how to fold it. You just fold it in the bottom, inside, and then in half. So if you ever do not need to use it, it's easy to store. I do highly recommend it, as I'm going to use it for all my throws. It's so many ideas for it to be used in the household. I think it's a great size and a great quality compared to the price. Do recommend it.